today of the Chevy. Another LS with an LS in it. We're carbureted with this one, like the other one. Little mild cam in it. All AC lines, everything hooked up. Got a big alternator coming, so we put a little system in it. Got the Eagles on it. Now this one, we pretty much did all the wood grain on this one. We did all the wood grain. Matching that burnt. All the way through. Billy wheel, gear shift, custom console. All the way through it's coming. Cut the seat on this one, we're gonna float this one all the way to the back. Suede headliner, 3-stage roof. So new the plastic still on it. Huh? We still working. Still working. Make it happen more. Got the 6x9s up already. Zero gauge. Box right here. 215 box. Got the wood room in here working. Got my man Doc in here. Finishing up on the rear of that console in this white joint. Gonna glass tonight, Doc? Gonna put some glass on tonight?
Yeah, I have to. I need the iPad too.
I'm gonna get it right now.